It was Sunday after a long but good weekend. I was finally sitting on the couch relaxing, just texting a friend, and then all of a sudden felt this chest pain that very quickly moved up to my neck. And so as not to worry my children, I walked into the living room of my house to alert my husband, say, hey, please call 911. I gotta get to RWJ fast. But I didn't get a chance to. I walked into the room and collapsed on the floor. My name is Sara, and over the summer I was treated at Robert Wood Johnson University Hospital in New Brunswick for an aortic dissection.
An aortic dissection is a tear in the aortic wall, and that can occur because of the weakening of the aorta, which is the main artery coming out of the heart. Sara has a genetic condition which is called Loeys-Dietz Syndrome, which is a rare disorder. There's a disorder of connective tissue of the body, and that is present in the walls of the arteries.
The EMTs were able to rouse me enough that I remember telling them, you have to take me to RWJ New Brunswick. My sister had an aortic dissection that's happening to me. I have to get there fast. I don't remember the ER. I remember opening my eyes a few times and seeing bright lights and a couple of faces. I think I kind of remember being moved to a CAT scan table, but I woke up in the ICU a couple of days later.
Sara's story is extraordinary in terms of the amount of the teamwork that went in with precision, accuracy, and also in terms of the timeliness of activities. It was very well orchestrated that led to a miraculous recovery of life.
I could have bled out or stroked out. There's that tear, which was also affecting my valves. So some of the blood was going the wrong way and the other blood was going back into my heart.
So in surgery, what Dr. Ikegami did was he replaced the valve and the dissected portion of the aorta.
I'm doing great. I'm doing cardiac rehab, which is great, especially in the winter because I haven't been going for walks and stuff like that outside. It's good because it's gotten me more active in a safe environment because it was scary going for decent walks. I don't want to go too far away from home just in case something happens, but it's building my confidence.
So Sara is doing very well. Her blood pressure is under very good control. Her heart rate is under good control.
Something I kept hearing when I was in the hospital was that I was very lucky to survive, and I am. The real luck is that my husband and I were both home. He was able to call 911 and EMTs came quickly, paramedics came quickly and got me to the hospital. Once I was in the hands of emergency responders, I don't really think it was luck. I think it was their skill, their expertise. I'm a little bit lucky, but I think it has a lot more to do with the skill of the team at RWJ than it does with luck.